Hey guys, just a quick video here. So this is a 2005 Toyota RAV4. So if you are doing a right hand side motor mount, or you need to get to the valve cover or something, I haven't seen this on YouTube yet. I know you got to remove this, but I think I figured out a better way than that. You remove all these 10 millimeter bolts. I think there's one right there for all these brake lines right there. You got this one. I think this is a 12, 10. Remove this nut here. And I also removed the 10 millimeter on these holding this bracket. And it gives you just enough. Let me pull this out again. Okay. It gives you just enough to take a pry bar, kind of bend this a little bit back. It won't really damage up the lines. There's that bolt hole for this mount right there. So you could just use a really long extension and reach down there, going through right here. Once you get this wiring harness disconnected, you just gotta pull up on this white piece. Gives you enough room to get to that bolt right there. Just use a long ratcheting wrench or whatever. And then for that one, I just used a long extension on a welder or whatever, and I got that bolt right there. All right, so I'm currently taking off the bolt and that nut right there. They're both 14 millimeters. Just use a long extension with a deep socket. You're probably gonna have to break it with your ratchet first, and then you could use an impact depending on how strong your impact is. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove those right now. All right, now that I've got them loose, you could use a magnet. Just grab them one by one. And then just also during this process, just make sure you have a jack under there and you have the engine just lifted about an inch so you know that it's, lifted up by the jack. And now you should be able to remove the mount, lower the motor. So let's go ahead and do that now. So I ended up just trying to lower this thing down. So apparently there actually is a nut on the bottom of this. I have no idea why they do something stupid like that. So go ahead and go underneath the car and get the nut from the bottom. I'm pretty sure it's a 14 as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. All right, now that you got that nut out of the way from the bottom, you just go ahead and lift up the mount a little bit. Already did, to get it past that further stud sticking out. All you gotta do is just wiggle it out. It'll come out this way, just like so. So sorry, gotta do this one-handed, so there you go. Remove that mount without removing this ABS module. You just have to move the lines a little bit like I was saying. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and as always, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.